I have the best mommy in the whole wide world.
What is something mommy always says to you?
Her loves me and misses me.
What is something that makes mommy really happy?
Me, pizza, coffee.
What makes mommy sad?
Only when her misses me. Her so nice.
Okay, if your mommy could be any superhero, what would she be?
Supergirl.
Supergirl? Why?
Because I heard the girl. Hi, my name's Olivia. I have the best mommy in the whole wide world, everyone.
What is your mommy really good at?
Singing.
She is? What else is she really good at?
Sleeping.
What else?
Playing.
Yeah, that's cool. What is mommy not really good at?
Closing the doors.
Closing the doors? What else?
Her can do everything else.
No. What are you most proud of mommy about?
Playing with me.
What else?
Blow drying my hair.
Blow drying your hair? You're proud of her for that? What else?
Warning me.
Warning you? That's nice. What else?
Sleeping like one.
What else are you really proud about mommy for?
Loving me.
What do you and mommy do most together?
Play and do snuggling.
How are you and mommy the same?
Because they're both pretty and the same of our color eyes.
Same color eyes? Aw. What makes you and mommy different?
Because her thing, because I'm little.
How do you know mommy loves you?
Because her always loves me. And her kisses me.
No. If mommy had a whole bunch of money, what would she buy?
Toys and games for me.
For you? And what's your favorite thing that mommy taught you?
Whole wide world. You might get a little old, Mom. It's okay. I clean your diapers if you need me to. Thank you for being the best mommy in the whole wide world. Happy, happy, happy birthday! I know it's like the wind longer than you thought, but thanks for having me. Thank you for taking care of me and kissing all my business. I hope you enjoy your prize party. Enjoy your birthday.